Introducing the Galaxy Z Fold5. Building on a legacy of innovative design and craftsmanship, it's been meticulously refined. You'll notice the moment you pick it up, we designed an integrated hinge with a pivot shaft that moves the wing plate to create a larger curvature, and it reduces the fold's gap to almost nothing. We call it the flex hinge. The biggest challenge in redesigning the hinge was to ensure it was both durable and strong enough to support flex mode. Since it was first introduced, Flex Mode has transformed the foldable landscape, defining a new level of versatility for the way you use your smartphone. With a higher level of tension, our new hinge can be adjusted with extreme precision to get just the angle you want. And even with all these advancements, our new hinge still comes with an IPX8 rating for water resistance, providing protection for our lightest, most compact fold yet. The Galaxy Z Fold5 offers a spectacular large screen experience made possible by harnessing the potential of its flexible form factor and powered by top-of-the-line performance. This performance is anchored on the same leading technology as our flagship Galaxy S series, providing the most powerful processor on Galaxy foldables yet. This means more processing power for consistent multitasking, sharply rendered graphics, and sophisticated AI algorithms. Gameplay is also smoother and more responsive with optimized frames per second. And this chipset elevates Fold5's camera performance to the high standards we set with our S series, allowing you to capture an object's true shape, color, and tone. I see the difference every time I take a picture at night. The Galaxy Z Fold5 delivers an epic camera experience with nightography, giving you the power to capture stunning clarity even in low light. The Galaxy Z Fold5 opens a world of possibilities. You really need to try it to understand. But on behalf of those who haven't had the opportunity to experience foldables yet, one of our famous Galaxy users stopped by to ask us some questions.
안녕하세요. BTS 슈가입니다. 몇 가지 궁금한 게 있는데요. 폴드 사용자들은 폴드 기능 중 어떤 기능을 많이 사용하나요? 폴더블 제품만의 장점, 뭐라고 말할 수 있을까요?
Thanks, Suga. Many often ask us what truly makes the foldable experience unique. Let's find out.
Let's see what it's all about. .6-inch display. Max brightness 1750 nits. Up to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Cinematic experience on the go. Films and shows come alive with stunning detail. Immersive gaming with smoother movement and faster reaction times for snappier gameplay. What's this? Business solutions, optimized to take advantage of the large screen. Effortless multitasking with next-level productivity. Drag and drop. Split screen. Pop-ups. So many ways to multitask. And new ways to easily navigate using both hands. Drop files. Move icons. It's fast and convenient. The intuitive taskbar now supports up to 4 recently used apps for switching between windows and tasks with speed and ease. The large screen is also a canvas for writing and drawing with the S Pen. Take notes, sketch designs, or sign documents and email them with a few taps. The new S Pen is lighter, and with a slimmer case, it's easy to take everywhere. And is that flex mode? A one-of-a-kind, refined experience on Galaxy Foldables. The craftsmanship of Z Fold5's brand new hinge and display technology ensures an exceptional flex mode experience. Whether closed, open, or in between. It optimizes apps in flex mode with a new panel for easy control. Galaxy Z Fold5 is the real deal. A productivity power player and a multitasking secret weapon.
Galaxy Z Fold5 provides PC-like power in your pocket. So, Sugar, what do you think? Awesome. Galaxy Z Fold5's phenomenal large screen offers immersive cinematic experiences and the most advanced multitasking ever on a Galaxy smartphone. And that includes boosting productivity for our business users through services like Bloomberg Professional, which makes it easier to monitor markets off desktop, and Microsoft Intune, which employs our hardware-backed device attestation technology to meet mobile security requirements for Zero Trust. We're committed to pursuing more collaborations with our partners and introducing more ways to optimize experiences unique to Fold, even business solutions. After all, the Fold is where powerful performance meets flexibility. It combines an amazing large screen experience and the functional convenience of a narrower smartphone. I like having the option of typing one-handed on the go and then unfolding the screen to watch videos and multitask. Carefully engineered to be compact and lighter than ever, the contoured design offers an easy grip and effortless handling. It's a difference you'll feel from the very first touch. We can't wait for you to try it out. For the life maximizers, in pursuit of productivity, the Galaxy Z Fold5 offers an immersive large screen that fits in your pocket. Equipped with top-tier performance for multitasking and gaming and powerful camera capabilities, it redefines versatility. And for the free-spirited style icons, the Galaxy Z Flip5 is a pocket-sized powerhouse for self-expression. With a larger cover screen, powerful AI camera, and countless ways to personalize your experience. Whichever is the right fit for you, they come with an IPX8 rating for water resistance. Both will be available starting August 11th in select countries. The Galaxy Z Fold5 starts at $1,799. And the Galaxy Z Flip5 at $999. And if you pre-order your device, you'll receive a complimentary or discounted offer of Samsung Care Plus, which is provided by Samsung authorized technicians specially trained to repair Galaxy devices, so you can relax and enjoy your new device with peace of mind. The Galaxy experience has always been fueled by our commitment to deliver innovation and technology to help you do more each day. And that innovation is available now.
I thank each of you for joining us online from cities around the world and right here in Seoul. Thank you for being part of this Samsung Galaxy Unpacked.